Hi guys, here's our next problem. Al counts bugs in the park. He counts blank bugs in March. He counts blank fewer than that in April. How many bugs does he count in April? Okay, so that's our problem. Al, and he's looking at two different months, and he's looking at bugs he collected in those months. Second read. Al counts bugs in the park. He counts blank in March. He counts blank fewer than that in April. How many bugs does he count in April? Okay, so for the second read, we need to decide what math is going on here. So the first clue I see is the word fewer, so I'm going to circle that word. That word fewer is like a comparing word. More, less than, fewer. Those are all comparing words. And so I think that gives me a clue that we're comparing in this math problem. And it looks like he has some in March, and in April he counts some fewer. So, I mean, in April his comparison bar is going to be a lot shorter because of that word fewer. So I can kind of start with the math on this one. I don't know the numbers yet, but I do know that I'm going to be doing comparison bars probably because I have 2 months, March and April. And it does have the word fewer, so I'm going to know that the second bar is going to be shorter than the March bar. So now I'm going to erase and we will read it with the numbers. Al counts bugs in the park. He counts 561 in March. He counts 273 fewer than that in April. How many bugs does he count in April? Okay, so let's start with our comparison bars. So M for March, A for April. Okay, in March, he counts 561. So we can draw our bar there and we can put the number in it because we know it's 561. So go ahead, pause the video, get to this point, please. Okay, and then in April, we don't know how many he counts, but we know that he counts 273 fewer in April. So his bar in April is going to be shorter. And we don't really know what his number is here. We just have to put a question mark. But we do know the circle number. The circle number is 273. So this space right here that would get us to how many March has, that's empty space. And we know that there are 273 bugs fewer that he counted there. So now, if you think back to Math Mountains, we have a number on the top, and then on the bottom we have a comparison bar next to a circle number. We know we need to subtract. So we always start with the biggest number first. We're going to go 561, take away 273. I need to go fast. I'm running out of time, so pause if you need to. Okay, more on top. No need to stop. I need to go next door. Trade 10 more. So now I have 11. 11 minus 3, let's see, did that work? Yes, okay, is 8. Now I have 5 minus 7. I can't do that, so I need to go next door and ungroup 10 more. So now I have 15 minus 7. Did that one? Let's see, is my thing catching up? Okay, perfect. So we have 8 there again. And then we have 4, take away 2, which is 2. So in April, he counted 288 bugs.